The spice road, a network of ancient trade routes, was the lifeline of Asia's culinary evolution. Spices like turmeric, cardamom, and chili traveled from India to Southeast Asia, shaping iconic dishes. By the 1st century CE, these routes connected cultures, blending flavors and techniques. Today, Asian curries still reflect this rich exchange, with each region adding its unique twist to spice blends. Curry pastes are the soul of Asian curries, crafted by grinding fresh herbs and spices. Thai pastes, for instance, combine lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves for aromatic depth. In contrast, Indian pastes rely on toasted cumin and coriander. Each paste's balance of heat, sweetness, and umami defines the curry's character, proving that foundation matters as much as execution. Thai green curry, or kenkiawan, balances heat with herbal freshness. Its signature green hue comes from green chilies and kaffir lime leaves, while coconut milk softens the spice. Bamboo shoots and Thai eggplant add crunch. A 2020 study found that this curry's herbs, like holy basil, have anti-inflammatory properties, merging flavor with health benefits. Red curry, or keng phet, derives its color and heat from dried red chilies, blended with shallots and garlic. Coconut cream adds velvety richness, while fish sauce provides umami. A staple in Thai street food, it's often paired with rice or noodles. Fun fact, the spiciness can vary from 50,000 to 100,000 Scoville units, rivaling some habanero peppers. Panang curry, a Thai Muslim fusion dish, stands out with its peanut-infused paste and kaffir lime zest. Less liquid than other curries, it clings to meat, creating a thick, aromatic coating. Originating in the 19th century, it's now a global favorite. Pro tip, toasting the peanuts enhances their oil release, deepening the curry's nutty profile. Burmese curries, like hin, rely on turmeric, ginger, and shallots for earthy warmth. Unlike fiery Thai curries, these are milder, often paired with pickled tea leaves, lapet. A 2018 UNESCO report highlighted lapet as a cultural treasure. The curry's golden color comes from slow-cooked shallots, a technique dating back to the Bagan Empire, 9th century. Rendang, Malaysia's national dish, is a labor of love. Beef simmers for hours in coconut milk and spices until caramelized. The Maillard reaction creates its dark color and complex flavor. In 2011, CNN ranked it the world's most delicious food. Kerisik, toasted coconut paste, is key. Its oils bind the spices, ensuring each bite is rich and cohesive. Indonesian rendang, from West Sumatra, uses galangal and candle nuts for a bolder taste than its Malaysian cousin. The Padang version includes 17-plus spices, slow-cooked until dry. In 2018, Indonesia patented rendang as cultural heritage. Fun fact, the dish was historically preserved for long journeys, thanks to its low moisture content. Butter chicken, merg makhani, was invented in 1950s Delhi by Kundanlal Gujral. Tomato paste and cream create its silky base, while kasuri methi, dried fenugreek, adds depth. Tandoori chicken, marinated in yogurt and spices, is added later. A 2022 survey found it's the most ordered Indian dish globally, with 12 million servings weekly. South Indian curries, like Kerala's meen moili, use coconut milk and tamarind for a light, tangy profile. Mustard seeds and curry leaves add crunch and aroma. These curries are often paired with appam, rice pancakes. A 2019 study noted that coconut's medium-chain fats may aid metabolism, making this dish flavorful and nutritious. Goan Vindaloo blends Portuguese vinegar with Indian spices. Originally carne de vinha meat in garlic wine, it evolved with Kashmiri chilies and palm vinegar. The acidity tenderizes pork, while chilies pack heat, up to 80,000 Scoville units. Fun fact, the dish was preserved for long sea voyages, hence its intense flavor. Japanese curry, introduced by the British in the 19th century, uses a roux for thickness. Apples and honey add sweetness, contrasting with savory Worcestershire sauce. It's a staple in school lunches and home kitchens. Pro tip, adding grated apple, a Tokyo secret, balances the umami from dashi, fish stock. Sri Lankan black curry gets its dark hue from roasted curry powder, a mix of coriander, cumin, and fennel. Pandan leaves and lemongrass add citrusy notes. The dish is often served with pol roti, coconut flatbread. A 2021 study found Sri Lankan spices have 3 to more antioxidants than European herbs, boosting both flavor and health. Filipino curry, influenced by Spanish and Malay cuisines, is milder and sweeter. Potatoes, bell peppers, and banana blossoms are common add-ins. Coconut milk tempers the spice, while fish sauce adds saltiness. A 2020 survey showed 68% of Filipinos prefer this kid-friendly version over spicier Thai or Indian curries. Today's fusion curries blend traditions. Think kimchi curry or pizza curry. Chefs experiment with techniques like sous vide spices or nitrogen-frozen herbs. A 2023 trend report noted a 40% rise in fusion curry restaurants globally. Whether it's a curry ramen or taco, these innovations honor the Spice Road's legacy of culinary exchange.